What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. You see, I'm on my charts right now with one of my students. You see that this is my mentee from Ireland, right? I used M because I'm trying to protect his identity as well. So the thing is this. Okay, let me just turn off the music a bit. This is the thing, guys. As you can see, he took an account, like you see there, the balance is 377, and they are at running trades at a profit of about 540 euros. And you see, it tells me that we started with 50 euros. This particular account was started with 50 euros, okay? So it says, look, long-term position, 2 days in the trade. I don't know if you were there, but for my mentees were there last week. You remember during our live session, I spoke about the XAU USD, I spoke about the Euro USD, I spoke about the GBP USD, and I spoke about the Euro CAD or Euro Aussie, between the two. And that's how I do it, man. That's how I do it. I mean, I show people the light, and people go out there and they double accounts and they triple accounts and they quadruple accounts, whatever they do. Nonetheless, I'm like, man, this is crazy, man. And he sends me setups again, and he says his mom is now in for more than 500 because they trade together, you know. So you check again, the following day, he says still in the trade, expecting the profit to be even double. You see, this was the same trade that we saw the last time, and you see right now that he has taken the account to 1010, from just 50 euros to 1000 euros in a space of 2 trading days. That's the power of catching the high of the week or the low of the week, right? Because when you really catch the low of the week or the high of the week, this is what the market does. It moves. It doesn't stay, it moves. So if you are in a trade that you're claiming is the high of the week or the low of the week, and the market is not moving, it's not the high of the week or the low of the week, or the currency that you chose is not that good, okay? So I told him, honestly, I'm proud of you, man. And he says that one is over 1,000. I told him, keep on with a positive attitude. I think I called him afterwards, and I asked him to send me a video of his account, you know, because I can prove that these results are legit, guys. These results are legit. I want you to notice something. The balance, you notice where it says how much it deposited. It's not a fake or a demo account or anything like that.
Everyone, I just want to share.
You see over there, the deposit was done via Netela or something.
2 days.
He said a couple of stuff that I speak about, so I'm not really going to, get into that. But that's how we do it. That's how we do it, man. We are not here to play games. Are we here to do anything else but to enlighten as many people as we possibly can? So let me go to my screenshots and take a few things and show you guys my results for my students. Okay, if you look at the top, you notice that it's screenshots, right? Let me start with it. You see, that's an account of 1,006 at a profit of 207, because my students send me results, so I either screenshot them or whatever. So you see this one is also in profit, Santosh. You see this one is at a profit of 133 almost, with an account of about 102. I'd say Brandon almost doubled my account, $50. Profit over there. Still slowly getting better. Actually passed my target for the day, reaching their targets. Trying to be consistent, results of the day, met my target, is killing it. You see over there, profit, it's all profit everywhere. Even people, people who are not my mentees are benefiting from this. You see profit over there, it's all profit all the way. You see, it's doubling evening at 10 to 61, $30, 10 to $61. It's the rules, guys. It's the same business, guys. It's the same business. The same business. This one, my student made $3,000, and I was so humbled by this. It's the same thing, man. It's the same thing. 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 Okay, that's my account. You see over there? You see over there? You see over there? That's what it is, guys. That's what it is. That's what it is. Results, 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 results. Oh man, thank you so much, guys. This is obviously my stuff. Okay, thank you, guys. You see, even myself, I was at a profit of 1,000. I had an account of 1,006, and I was at a profit of £907, whatever the case. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. I'm working on a couple of things, and I trust it's going to be helpful to you guys. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, signing out.